Alright, we are at West Edmonton Mall and it's December the 6th, and what has happened to the original 1981 Montgomery? I was here a week or two ago. This paint is now on the chopping block in the new corner here as finally people in the service. But you can see how the new indicate. Take a look now. And you see the cap is still original. We are still on. Unfortunately, we got this here new COP. You see, like on the second one. See the original indicator. This is where the original indicator used to be. Much quieter mode. Here we are too. That's right. We'll see elevator there. New call station. Going to go up to 3. New Audi lights in it. There we go. And you have a talking voice in the mod. Was very much quieter than the original. And here we are at 3. It's like on the first, I see that there's a sign barricade, not a huge barricade on it, a new car station. And now we're going down to the main floor. See, original cap when it was original Montgomery. Unfortunately, this mod on now. You see, there's a original you're now on the chopping block. The original, still see your old COP there, which will be taken out. Carry on back at the one. Now we're going to watch it go around here. Watch it. What happens when watching? What happens? Here it goes. Crazy. Well, tell me what you think of the mod on this 1981 Montgomery. And I'll be continuing to take videos of the Modernization 11 as it progresses. And other than that, that will be it.